Yeah. Sorry, that was weird. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, if you didn't know what that was a cat saying yeah. Alright, meow as Markiplier. Never mind. Anyway, okay, so I am doing a Warrior Cats live action roleplay. Made up my mind, Warrior Cats. Okay, this field is cut up into 4 areas. My thing, my roleplay is, well no, not my roleplay, but my clan. I am Bramble Star, and my clan is called Bramble Clan. Very original, I know, thank you. So I need at least 3 other people to be clan leaders. But yeah. I'm like a homeless little child. I wish I could kidnap it and then murder it. Oh my god, I probably shouldn't have said that on camera. Jeez, okay, sorry. Jeez. So I have a murderous taste in children. Sorry. Anyway. So, my cat is a grey tortoise, no not tortoise, kind of spotted cat, and so you have to cosplay as it. So dress up in cat ears, the cat tail, but you don't have to have a tail or ears, but you have to have one. So you need a monster. Sorry, I'm getting distracted again. Okay, so my clan, Bramble Clan, over there. Your clan, your clan, your clan. If you guys haven't noticed, I am undertale trash. Some people call it under trash or something. Yeah. So, on my channel, as you can see, I have plenty of undertale trash things that I've done in After Effects. I'm thinking of, whatever. Anyway, not like anyone will watch this.